Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been doing well. Today we're going to be creating this makeup look using a bunch of new techniques that I've never done on this channel. So if you guys are interested in seeing what it is that I did to create this look, what it is that I used, and just to sit down, get ready with me, and have some fun, then just go ahead and keep watching. Today we are playing with some makeup and we're doing a new technique. It's not new to y'all probably, but it's new to me. I tried it about a week ago and I just don't know why it took me so long to jump on this wagon. Like, I get it. I get it now. I am going to be doing the reverse contouring, sculpting, whatever. So essentially it's when you sculpt your face first with bronzer, you do your concealer, and then you put foundations only in places where you need it. It's kind of like minimizing less product. Like, no, we're not using a full face of foundation, then putting things on top of each other, on top of each other, on top of each other. Essentially, this technique is supposed to minimalize everything. There's a lot of new products in this video, so I'm excited too. I'm going to prime. I'm gonna use my Fenty primer. Actually, no, I'm gonna use my Rare Beauty primer. This is the, what is this? Pore Diffusing Primer. Just gonna put that in the middle of my face. And as you can see, there is no brows on my face, which I don't do. I don't normally jump on here without brows, but for this technique, you don't need to do your brows first, so. Okay, so we've got the primer on, and then I'm going to take the new Do Me Over Prep Set and Fresh Face Mist. This is by Dezi Skin. You guys know I love her vitamin C serum. So I was like, I have to get this because I just love Dezi and I love her products. It's a dewy setting spray. It's a face mist. You can set your face, you can mist it, you can do everything with this. And it has very, very good skincare products. It's similar to her vitamin C serum. She does have a lot of skincare ingredients in this, so it's great for your skin. Do you see that? It can just keep going on and on and on and on and on. It's crazy. I think I sprayed my whole chest. I love this fan. This is from Amazon, 10 bucks. The best $10 you'll spend in your entire life. If you do makeup, if you live in a hot climate, get you this because it is a lifesaver. I'm gonna take the new e.l.f. Putty bronzer. It looks like this, and I got mine in the shade Sunkissed. It's a really dark, warm, toasty color. Oh my gosh, you guys, I've never done this on camera. So I can't even lie, I'm a bit nervous. The key to this, when you're using the bronzer, I'm going to take a buffing foundation brush that's dense. Like, you don't want anything that's too fluffy because you want it to keep its shape. I'm just gonna go straight into the bronzer, and we are going to just apply this on the skin. Yep, you heard me right. Just go straight in and apply it in the skin. The normal places that you will bronze, I'll just do that. This is like my new technique. Like I said, I don't know why it took me this long to hop on this, but I'm here. And I've made it to the other side. But this is actually what a lot of makeup artists, professional people, this is actually how they do makeup on most clients. If you've probably seen it, this is a popular technique with Makeup by Mario, as well as Scott Barnes. It's definitely intimidating for one who doesn't do makeup. So I can understand why it looks like it's a lot. So as you can see, the bronze is dark, and I'm going to leave it like this because what's gonna happen is I'm going to put concealer in the normal places, and then we're going to use foundation to kind of mesh everything together. You're just gonna see. If I wasn't talking, I could do this probably in like, I would say 10 minutes. I did a full face in 10 minutes, which was my first time doing it. I was like, whoa, this is what I've been missing. Like, I literally did this look in 10 minutes. I had a full face done in 10 minutes. I was shocked. As you can see, I'm taking the bronzer and I'm contouring my nose. And we are just going to, I'm also going to contour my eye. I'm going to bring this into my brow. The key to a contour nose is making sure you really focus on the top part right here. I know I look crazy, y'all, I know it, but trust the process, just trust the process. And then now I'm gonna take concealer. I'm going to take the Beauty Blender Concealer in the shade 430W, and I'm just going to put that in the places that I would conceal normally. Just the normal places that I conceal. That's perfectly fine. And if the concealer is a little light, that's fine, because remember, we're gonna go over foundation. So that is okay. And then I'm just gonna take my Beauty Blender and blend that out. I like doing this step specifically with the sponge, because I feel like it kind of does all the blending for you, in my opinion. And you don't have to worry too much about harsh lines, because we're gonna go over everything that's harsh with our foundation color, because it's going to just mesh everything together. The whole point of this technique is to have coverage where you need it, not everywhere, because you don't need coverage everywhere. So conceal where you need to conceal, darken where you need to darken, and only place foundation to mesh everything together instead of piling layers on top of layers on top of layers. It's unnecessary, which is what gives you cake face. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, now this is where you take your foundation. I'm gonna do the Uoma by Sharon C Flawless IRL Foundation. I'm gonna take the shade T3, that was T4. And then I'm going to just dot this in the areas where I need it. So I just need foundation here, around my mouth. So basically everywhere where you see a harsh line between your concealer and your contour is where your foundation should go, because you're gonna mesh all of that and blend it out together. I'm going to use a smaller foundation brush because I don't want something too big. I'm just gonna take this, I don't even know what this is, Baddington brush, and just blend that out. And again, you could go over the contour lightly, but now we're just mirroring everything together. First of all, the way the skin looks, oh, she is sitting, honey. This is just a game of blending. That's why this looks very intimidating, because it's all about blending, which most people are like, I don't have time for that. But this technique is literally so smart, and I don't know why it took me so long to do it, but I'm glad I have started doing it, because it is amazing. And then I'm going to take my beauty sponge, go over everything one more time. Now this is the step where we do our brows, because we do still have to do that. And I'm going to just take my Morphe M158, and this is just a spoolie with a brush on the other end. This is my favorite eyebrow brush. It's like $7. I'm going to now work on my eyebrows really quickly. So let me do that. So the brows are on, and now I'm going to take a actual powder bronzer, because now we're gonna focus on setting the face. Before I do that, we're gonna spray it so everything can, you know, stay intact. I'm going to do this setting spray. This is the e.l.f. Make It, what is it? It's the e.l.f. 16-hour setting spray. My bottle messed up, so I just took it out and put it in something else. But I'm just gonna shake that up. This is really good drugstore setting spray. It's in a green bottle, it's like $10. It's very comparable to the Urban Decay All Nighter, so this is a great drugstore dupe. I'm just gonna spray my face first, and then we're gonna go ahead and set it. So I'm gonna go and take my sponge and just make sure all of the creases have been blended out. And then we're going to take the NARS bronzer in the shade Quirimba. I'm going to take that and just lightly tap it over the places that I cream bronzed, just to make sure everything is nice and set. You don't need a lot of bronzer because we already did it with the cream. Your face is pretty bronzed. Now we're just, like I said, setting it. And then now we are going to actually set our face. I'm going to take the Mercier Honey Setting Powder. So this step is just ensuring that your face stays in place, is locked in all day. So just like that. And then we're going to take our brush and just wipe all of that away. This is how I lazy contour my nose. I just take the brush and fold it and run it against the side. Now we are going to take the blush and put some of that on. I'm gonna use this Milani Cocoa Felicita blush. It's a it's a baked powder blush. I cannot talk. It looks like this super pretty chocolatey, deep mauve-y color. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that. It is very potent. And we're just going to put that on our face. There is a little bit of shimmer in this, just a tiny bit, but I don't have an issue with that. You guys know I love blush, so. And then before I do anything else, I'm going to set the face again. Y'all, this is a very important step. And this time I wanna bring the skin back to life. I wanna make it dewy, make it nice, blended. So I'm going to use the Dezi Do Me Over Mist. So the face is nice and set. We are looking bronzy, we are looking dewy. I'm not putting any highlight on because, like I said, the blush has a tiny sheen to it, so I like the way everything's looking. I'm going to set my brows. I'm gonna use my Anastasia brow pomade setting thingamabob. I can't remember the name. It's a little travel size. And I'm just going to set my brows really quickly so they stay in place. Do I want to put some highlighter on? Ooh, I kind of want to, but I feel like I shouldn't. I don't know why. Okay, we're gonna do just a little bit. Just a little bit, nothing crazy. I'm gonna take that Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Illuminati, and we're going to put just a little bit. Such a pretty highlighter, y'all. Okay, I'm going to do something quick with my eyes, and then I'll be right back. We could do our lips, and we will be done with this video. So I did I didn't know what I was gonna do with my eyes. It was supposed to be simple. Then I ended up doing eyeliner. Then I was like, let me just do a very cat eye winged out blown out liner. So this is what we have. We don't have much shadow. It's really focused on the liner, so I haven't done that in a while. So I'm feeling cute. I think I'm gonna do a red lipstick. I feel like red would be so pretty with this look. I got this Tom Ford lipstick, like a free gift with me purchasing their perfumes, which I'm gonna spray some on today because I got the shoulders out. But this is the red lipstick in the shade Scarlet Rouge, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on. I am not mad at this. Like, I feel very posh. I'm telling you, today's video is all about new makeup techniques, new everything. I haven't done a red lip in God knows how long. But yeah, we have our ring liner, we have our red lip, we got a sleek blend. Now that's all that's missing is, I'm gonna put some spray on. I feel like I need some spray. So I'm going to take, which one do I want to do? I'm going to do this one. I got a set of them. It came with these two Tom Ford Soleil Blanc Shimmering Body Oils. This is the rose gold and this is the bronze. Yes. So I think I'm gonna do the rose gold one. This is a tank top I have on, by the way. So go ahead and spray that. Ooh. I don't like the way the little spray comes out. It's very like, I don't even know how to describe it. smells good. Oh my God, I love the way this stuff smells. It smells amazing. Wow. Smells so good. If only you guys could smell it. All right, guys, we are done. Today was a fun video. It was very relaxed, very easygoing, chill. I kind of just played with makeup, talked to you guys. I don't really like those videos where it's super put together. I like to just kind of, you know, like you're in person here with me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the new technique. Tell me what you think about it. I love it. I could do the face in like 10 minutes, 15 minutes tops. So it's amazing. I love it. I'm gonna make sure I link everything down below and put it in the description box so you guys can check it out. Let me know if you would love to see more videos like this. Don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe if you are not already. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.